Google loves websites where the audiences are interacting and engaging. They're spending more time. So if your competitors on your competitor's website, they are staying on average, let's say 10 seconds, but on your website they're staying for 40 seconds. Guess what? Who's going to get higher rankings? Because Google wants to give the best quality content to somebody. They know that on this website, whenever somebody comes, they are staying there because they like what they see. The person who owns this website is working hard to create good quality content, regular, fresh content, and updating the website very regularly, compared to somebody who's just left it alone for years and months and hasn't updated anything. This is what you want to do, is to attract these the bots, the search engines, to keep coming into your website and getting your pages indexed, because you are updating your website very quickly. What we do is, once this video, this live stream is done, or new videos we have created, we update them onto our blog regularly. You can go onto our website and see how often we update. It's because it brings in regular traffic to our website. It brings in more leads and more customers. So video view is something which we need to track. How many people viewed the video for 25%, 50, 75, or 100%, right? If you find that most of your visitors to your website are viewing only 25%, that means, again, it suggests that you are not putting up good quality content. People are putting off, and they don't like after viewing a few seconds or few minutes. You're not holding their attention. So you need to make sure that the quality of your content is absolutely 100%. Other goals you can do is scroll. How many people scrolled, or how far they scroll to the bottom of the page? If your call to action is right at the bottom and they're not scrolling to the bottom, you won't get any conversions because they don't see that button or that call to action. So you need to make sure that you can track and see how far down the page they are scrolling. And if they're scrolling down to the bottom, that means they like what they see and they are interacting and engaging. And that is the key. You got to make sure that all these goals are being tracked and they are engaging with your content. And the same with the button click, if they clicked on a like button on your website or something like that. And there are lots of other ones depending on what you got on your site. But we're going to keep things very simple.